higher spiritual level of awareness. What is the awareness we are talking about right now? The spiritual awareness is all about consciousness, the power of the universe. Consciousness is the highest level of awareness of the universe. How do you know or get access to this awareness? You can have the access of the highest awareness right at this moment, the moment you decide to be conscious. It is not your mind which is getting conscious. It is the reality of your existence. It is the absolute reality that is conscious of itself. If you want to experience what consciousness is, what is the higher level of spiritual awareness, then close your eyes at this moment and focus all your attention on your third eye internally. Just focus on the third eye internally, and as you focus your attention on your third eye, you will see that you are getting some tingling sensation here near your third eye at the back of the head, and that tingling sensation is very much evident, like electricity passing through a tunnel, and you will feel that a tunnel is here somewhere. Now this electricity or the energy vibration that you feel in your third eye, who is feeling that energy vibration? From where the seer is perceiving this energy? Try to locate that point. Try to locate that point at the back of the eyes. If you go behind your eyes 3 to 4 inches behind your third eye at the center of your head, if you just locate a point at the center of your head somewhere 3 to 4 inches behind your head, you will find that a perceiver of this energy vibration is present in the form of witness. How do you know that that is witness? Because all your 5 senses are perceived not by the brain alone. Brain is an instrument through which you get access to the spiritual awareness, but the perceiver is located behind in the subtle body, but its location is somewhere near the center of the brain, and hypothalamus of the brain could be the physical location of consciousness in that perspective. But the consciousness is all pervading, still it has a center, the individual consciousness, the individual awareness that you get, and all these are experienced by you only when you meditate, only when you become silent, when you are with yourself, then you will be able to locate the higher dimension of consciousness through which everything becomes sentient. Everything is available to you, understandable by you because of this consciousness. Without consciousness, you are dead. Without the energy, you are dead. The energy that passes in your energy channel is the Kundalini Shakti, and that is the intelligence of the consciousness. Kundalini is itself the intelligence of the consciousness. And when you go to higher spiritual awareness, you can live life from a different perspective. You can live life from a higher dimension, and then you will be introduced to yourself as pure consciousness. The entire spiritual journey is all about knowing yourself as pure consciousness, and the moment of enlightenment is when you realize that the self-realization part of the entire journey is about knowing yourself as pure consciousness and energy. So, if you are on your spiritual journey, in your spiritual journey, and want to get free from all the ignorance and raise yourself to the level of higher consciousness, then you can meet me, contact me, and have the opportunity to work on yourself in your spiritual awakening journey. First, by diagnosing yourself whether you are going through a spiritual awakening or Kundalini awakening, and if you are going through that, then you can process Kundalini energy with me, working with the Guru through the Freedom Project, and getting all the powerful energy transmission from me and facilitating your journey altogether. So, if you want to access this higher spiritual awareness in you, then meet me and experience the new dimension of living life. All right. Have a great day. Bye bye. Thank you.